Hey, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Argentine cuisine, exploring a dish that might not be as well known as some others, but definitely deserves the spotlight. Get ready to uncover the unknown facts of Argentine Salmorejo. Origins and history. To kick things off, let's talk about the origins of Argentine Salmorejo. Now, you might be thinking of the Spanish cold soup, but hold on. The Argentine version has its own unique story. It actually has roots in traditional Argentine barbecue culture. Salmorejo in Argentina is not a cold soup like its Spanish namesake. It's a delicious marinade and sauce used to enhance the flavors of grilled meats during an asado. It's a true culinary gem with a history deeply tied to the rich barbecue traditions of Argentina. The secret ingredients. Now, let's talk about the secret ingredients that make Argentine Salmorejo so special. It's not just your typical marinade. It has a distinctive blend of flavors. The key ingredients include: first up, a generous amount of garlic. Argentine Salmorejo is known for its bold, garlicky kick that elevates the taste of grilled meats. Then, there's the vibrant chimichurri, which adds a burst of freshness with its mix of parsley, oregano, and vinegar. Cooking process. Now that we've got our ingredients, let's dive into the cooking process. The magic happens when these flavors come together. The longer you let your meat marinate in this flavorful concoction, the better. It's like giving it a front row seat to a taste explosion. Unique regional variations. What's even more fascinating is that different regions in Argentina have their own unique twists on Salmorejo. Some might add a hint of spice, while others prefer a more herbaceous profile. It's a culinary journey within a country. The cultural significance. Beyond being a delicious marinade, Argentine Salmorejo holds cultural significance. It's not just a condiment. It's a symbol of togetherness and celebration during social gatherings, especially at asados. It brings people together, creating a sense of community around the shared love for good food. Surprising pairings. Now, here's something that might surprise you. Argentine Salmorejo isn't just for meats. Some creative chefs and home cooks have discovered its versatility. It can be used to enhance the flavors of vegetables, seafood, and even tofu. Talk about a flavor revolution. Health benefits. Apart from being a taste sensation, Argentine Salmorejo also brings some health benefits to the table. Thanks to ingredients like garlic and olive oil, it's packed with antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. So, not only does it make your taste buds dance, but it also gives your body a little boost. How to enjoy Salmorejo. Now, let's talk about the best part. Indulging in the flavors of Argentine Salmorejo. Whether you're hosting an asado, grilling in your backyard, or just looking to spice up a weeknight dinner, this versatile marinade adds a burst of flavor to any dish. Grilling hacks. To truly master the art of Argentine Salmorejo, you've got to know your way around the grill. Some grill masters swear by a slow and low approach, allowing the Salmorejo to work its magic over time. It's like a culinary symphony, with each ingredient playing its part. Trust me, the result is worth the wait. Infusions and innovations. Now, let's talk about infusions and innovations. Some culinary daredevils are taking Salmorejo to new heights by infusing it with unexpected flavors. Imagine a smoky whiskey-infused Salmorejo or a citrusy twist with orange zest. The possibilities are endless, and experimentation is the name of the game. Salmorejo party. How about turning your kitchen into a Salmorejo party zone? Invite friends or family over and set up a DIY Salmorejo station. Provide an array of meats, veggies, and even some exotic proteins. Let everyone customize their Salmorejo experience. It's a guaranteed hit at any gathering. Salmorejo infusion cuisine. Now, here's a trend that's catching on: incorporating Argentine Salmorejo into fusion cuisine. Imagine Salmorejo infused sushi or tacos. It might sound unconventional, but the harmony of flavors is truly something to savor. And there you have it, folks. The unknown facts of Argentine Salmorejo, a hidden gem in the world of cuisine. Have you tried making it at home? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more culinary adventures, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Until next time, happy cooking!